What's going on, YouTube? OCD for EDC here, and what I got for your face balls today, I've got a couple packages to unbox, and we've got the latest from Spyderco, and we've got a really awesome new package. This just showed up from my buddy Sean Hassan over at Tepe Designs. And if you guys, well, if you've watched my channel for any length of time, you know that I love Sean Hassan's designs. That is the Tepe Design Hornet 2.0. Gorgeous knife. This is the Tepe Design Killage. Absolutely beautiful and gorgeous. Here is a couple of Tucson variations of his designs. This is the Maverick TS 177, which I did some custom anno work on. Absolutely gorgeous knife, and action is beautiful. And then also the 204 Bronc, amazing knife, S90V. Yeah, it's amazing. Titanium, liner lock. Love the Bronc. Really, really cool. So, yeah, Tepe Designs, one of my favorite knife designers by a long ways. I really, yeah. As a matter of fact, I don't know. He had like the Tucson TS 128. I think it's the Dynamo. That one's just pretty small for my hand. But like the 134 Shockwave, like I've got pretty much all of the models I think that he has put out there. And so now we've got a new package from him. So let's see what we got in this box. Okay, we got that. And then this. And you know what? We'll go ahead and open this. This is a part of the new Tucson order that's coming. If you guys don't know, we are newly Tucson dealers here at the OCD for EDC. And this is the first of the knives to come in a big order that I placed. This just because Sean had one. So yeah, he sent that over. Awesome. So here we go. Sean sent some swag over. And seriously, guys, Sean does such cool work. He's got so many cool things. Yeah, my dog's slipping here on the hardwood. We're actually having thunderstorms at the moment, and Walter has... that's one of his new fears is thunderstorms. So that's fun. But here we go. Tepe Design, Sean Hassan. If you want to hit him up, there is his info right there. And these cards are so cool. They're aluminum. Really, really cool business cards. So we'll set that right over here. And then, of course, we've got... we've got some Tepe Design stickers. Awesome. And then we also have got Tucson stickers, as well as a COA, which we're going to get into that in just a moment. But we got Tucson stickers to go along with the, new Tucson knives. So let's take a look in here real quick, see what we got. Oh, yeah. So this is the Tucson TS 269. And, oh, yeah, that thing's gorgeous. Beautiful milled titanium. Just a really, really cool knife. 14C28N, and you guys know the deal. I love me some poon. So, oh, man, that thing's really good. So this is a night morning design. And look at that. It's perfectly centered. Gorgeous knife. The 269. So this is the first one to come in with the new orders. And I'm kind of... This is one that I haven't handled before. Well, actually, I think I did handle it at Blade Show, but I handled a ton of stuff there. It's really thin. Thinner than I expected it to be for its size. But, man, that's a good one. I really like that. Very, very cool. So let's throw this stuff off to the side. And let's see what we got in here. So here is this piece. Now, this is... the COA, or Certificate of Authenticity. This is number 1 of 10. And I picked this up from Sean here well, I just got it. So about a week ago or so. And you can see here the model name is Bullpup. And this is 8670 high carbon steel. And this one is the black with stabilized cedar and elm. Not applicable on the backspacer and clip. And August 2021. And signed by Mr. Sean Hassan himself. Now this is a Tepe design, the actual design of this, and it was manufactured or made. These are handmade customs by I think the guy's name was Marcus, but I'm pretty sure it's MW Steel Works. I'll throw a link up in the description. I think the guy's got an Instagram, but really cool. Just kind of a pocket slip here. Really nice leather. Let's do the smell test. Oh yeah. You know, it's not a really strong leather smell, but it's a good leather smell. Very, very nice, supple leather. Really cool. So I'm digging the, you know, it's not a sheath. There's no belt attachment here, but it's kind of cool, you know? Like, this could work out well for, like, some cargo shorts. Just throw that thing down there in the old pocket. But let's check it out together. Here we go. We're going to unsheath this bad boy. Oh, look at that. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Oh, yeah. Okay. So we've got, you know, kind of a big bulbous butt on the handle here. You can see the wood is beautiful. Very, very nice and smooth. I'm not sure what this is up here. I mean, it says that it's stabilized cedar and elm, but this looks like some type of resin or something. It's like a greenish color up here in the bolster area. And then you've got this kind of darker wood, and then it goes lighter. I don't know. And then you've got some resin up in here as well. Really, really cool. But man, that thing's good in hand. Now, I will say, you know, where this fits comfortably in my hand, I'm a little bit back up from the blade, but I think that's okay. Pretty thick blade stock here, so this thing's not, you know, not for your detailed work, but this does have, you know, like a blackened finish on it. It's kind of a hand-rubbed look. But you can see the Tepe Design logo right there in the blade. And then on the opposite side, you can see the MW for MW Steelworks. And yeah, this thing's beautiful. So I know Sean Hassan recently moved from California down to North Carolina. I think I saw that this MW Steelworks is from North Carolina. I could be wrong on that. But we do have a lanyard hole here at the back. Obviously, it's a full tang. Balance point is very, very good, right where you want it, right here in that main kind of finger choil. And the bottom of this is pretty flat, but man, it works well. Like, it's really, really comfortable in hand, and just a cool looking knife. I like the straight back on it. Yeah, the straight spine is really cool looking, and I like how they finished all the way around, you know, the spine of the blade throughout the tang, all the way around. Yeah, it's really, really nice, guys. So anyway, if you're interested in picking one of these up, I'm wanting to say that they were $180, I think, you know, for a handmade custom, which there's only a handful of. This one here is number 1 of 10. So yeah, $180. Sean Hassan designed and made by MW Steelworks. Very, very cool. Okay, let's get our Bronc involved here and see what we got from Spyderco. Okay. Here we go. So we got COA there from Spyderco. We got this package right here. And then hooray, we got a bill. Okay. So here we go. This is a little box. And let's see what we got. Is this a dealer exclusive? I'm going to guess it is. But I could be wrong. Okay. Oh, yep. This is a Knifejoy exclusive. So right there, if you want to read the paperwork, you can pause right there. Okay. But this is a... get this folded back up here. There we go. This is a Knifejoy exclusive Dragonfly. Oh, nice. Check that out. So we've got kind of a dark blue, kind of a royal blue, I don't know, dark country blue kind of thing. FRN scales with Damascus. Really cool. And Spyderco does a fantastic job. They got, just high contrast on the Damascus, so it looks really cool. I don't know. It's kind of hard to see. Yeah, so this is VG10 based Damascus. But really cool. It looks cool with that blue color. And the Dragonfly, for being such a tiny knife, it's a good one. Like, so tiny. And look at, it's perfectly centered. But yet, it works in bigger hands like mine. And yeah, it's amazing to me that they can pull off these knives that, are one-hand operable and so tiny that it works really, really well. So that's cool. It does have black washers behind the hardware there. It would have been cool if they would have blacked out the hardware. But we all know Spyderco has a hard time doing that. But anyway, really, really cool. I like the Dragonfly. It's a good one. So let's get some stuff moved out of the way here. And you guys know the deal. We are going to check some factory edges. So let's get this set up. So so my Tucson order should be here soon. And when it does come in, I'm pumped to get some Tucson stickers. So, we'll probably just send these out with the knives until they're gone. And hopefully I'll be able to get some more at some point. But really cool. Thank you, Sean, for sending those along. Hopefully you guys can see the screen here. Yeah, okay. All right, let me get this centered up. Okay, first up, we opened up the Tucson 269 first. So 14C28N. Oh, real quick. So the other day I had a guy, I posted a video where I pulled out the sharpness tester here, and he said that checking the factory edges was a pointless thing, and I think he kind of missed the point of what I'm doing here. This is for fun. This by no means gives you really any info other than just how good the factory edges are out of the box. Factory edges, when you belt grind, you could have retained austenite in the blade. So when it comes to edge retention and the length of time that the edge will last, that will get better with time. So after a few sharpenings, you'll expose some better steel, and it'll be free from retained austenite, and you'll end up with better edge retention. That's not what we're talking about here. What we're talking about is just the actual apex on the knife. So for those of you guys out there that sharpen your knives as soon as you get them, hey, more power to you. Good on you. You do you. We're just having some fun here. Okay. So for everyone else, this is a sharpness tester. If you're not familiar with it, what we're looking here for is for something under 200 grams. This machine measures the weight that it takes to cut through the test media, which is kind of like fishing line. It's certified test media. So here we go. There you go. 115, 115. Really, really nice edge on that guy. So very, very cool. And I think we've got a few of those coming in. So that's just the first of many Tucsons that will be here shortly. So super cool. All right. Next up, let's take a look at this Bullpup and see what kind of edge this thing's got right out of the sheath. So we've got this 8670 high carbon steel. All right, here we go. Okay, 330. So not the greatest edge out of the box, but you know, it's a custom knife. You know, maybe I'm not familiar with MW Steelworks, and you know, maybe this one's just an anomaly, or maybe he's just not that wonderful at sharpening knives. I don't know, but 330, just to give you an idea, 350 is about the spot where a blade will no longer reliably shave my arm hair. You know, there's a difference in arm hair. I'm going to check a different spot on the blade, go back further. We'll see what it is back there. All right, here we go. Wow, 505. So that edge certainly needs some help. Yeah, I mean, it's sharp-ish. So, anywho, that's fine. I just got some new stones in the other day, so not a big deal. All right, now let's check out the Dragonfly. Now, Spyderco, they generally do a pretty fantastic job on out-of-the-box edges. So let's check this one out, and I'm assuming we're going to get a pretty low number here. So, or hopefully we do. Here we go. Yeah, there you go. 80. 80. So, yeah, anything under 100 is very sharp. Yeah. So we got an 80, a 115, and a 330 something, and a 505 or something. I don't know. So, yeah, this one needs some help. But, yeah, that's fine. You know, I've had some requests to do a sharpening video, so maybe we'll do that with this knife. But anyway, hopefully you guys enjoyed that. We got some awesome new stuff. Thank you so much, Mr. Sean Hassan. I greatly appreciate it. And love the Bullpup. It's a cool looking design. Really digging that. And, you know, for a handmade custom, pretty cool. I hope you do well with that project. But there you go. That's what we unboxed today. And we got the COA and the leather slip or sheath here. So anyway, guys, thank you so much. I'm gone.